The Khasi Students Union Saiden Unit had submitted a memorandum on the 13th of June 2023 on the illegal sand mining on the banks of Wah Iewsier under Umtasor Bead Territorial Forest Department in Ïewsier. On receiving information on the issue, members of the KSU Saiden Unit had visited the area on the 8th of June 2023, wherein they observed that illegal sand extraction by machines has been taking place on the banks of the Umran River in Ïewsier under Umtasor area in Ïewsier district. Some of the main concerns observed by the members are the severe pollution of the river, which is affecting river species, and also the landslides all along the riverside. The KSU Saiden Unit, in its memorandum, has requested the concerned authorities to confiscate all extraction machines and to stop the illegal mining of sand in the area, which, as per the National Green Tribunal, is a violation of Section 2 of the NMDR Act 1975.